If you could see the future, what would you look for? A better home? Better technology? A better life? Or perhaps that perfect afternoon? After all, what is technology for, if not to enjoy life's simple pleasures? Like cooling down on a hot day. This year, Panasonic's latest range of air conditioners feature iAuto X. New iAuto X features Panasonic Thermal Enhancement Technology, PTEC, which enables the compressor to achieve maximum frequency in the shortest time from startup. This lets you enjoy faster cooling from the moment it's switched on. Also new this year is Aero Wings. At startup, these twin flaps direct airflow straight to you so that you can cool down quickly. If direct airflow continues, you may start to feel too cold. That's when Aero Wings automatically adjusts to send airflow upwards to distribute cool air evenly, so you can enjoy continuous cooling comfort. Your Panasonic air conditioner gives you extra energy savings with EcoNavi and inverter. EcoNavi's intelligent eco-sensors detect human activity levels and sunlight intensity, then sends data to inverter, which varies compressor rotation speed to optimize cooling operation. This perfect match of EcoNavi and inverter saves you up to 65% energy savings, so you can enjoy cooling comfort and energy-saving technology together. Your home is your sanctuary, so clean air is important. However, air that appears clean may be polluted with PM 2.5 particles. PM 2.5 particles are sized at less than 2.5 micrometers and can easily enter our lungs. Nano EG releases 3 trillion negative ions to remove harmful particles. It even deodorizes adhesive odors that are attached to surfaces. Now that you know how Panasonic air conditioners can help you get extra cool, extra fast, with extra energy savings and extra clean air, if you could see the future, what would you look for?
Panasonic.